Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we're going to check out how you can go ahead and record a video solo. That is, you don't need any camera person to go ahead and help you out with your own recording, and you can record at your own convenience without anybody else helping you out. And I'll be showing you step by step how you can do this. It's not only that you need to record with one camera. Like example, you can record with about three cameras also by using this method. For example, I'm using the camera one now. Now I can go to my overhead camera also, which you will be able to see. Even here, we'll be able to do unboxing and everything, and the side cam. So how you can do this while recording your own video is what I'm going to go ahead and show you now. So let's start with that. What we need is we need to install an application on your computer which is called as OBS Studio. It's a free application which you can download and download the latest version, whichever is available, and install it. And then I will show you the rest in the computer when I have like how you can go ahead and add your camera and everything over here. Okay, so let's start. So this is the OBS Studio. As you can see that there's an Inception mode over here, Inception type mode. That is, I'm capturing the display at the moment, so you're able to see that. And this is my camera over here in which I'm doing the recording and everything. I've added it over here. You can see here clearly uh, in the display thing. Like I've added my Panasonic camera, that is my main camera. I've added my recording overhead camera also, and I also added my side cam also over here. All you can just add like very simply, just going ahead and pressing your add. You can add the video capture device, and you can select the video capture, and you can select the audio capture, and you can select the audio. Like I have here Mona and a display capture over here. The same thing applies when you want to go ahead and record using your uh, Panasonic camera, Amigo, or any camera which you have. You can do the same thing over here. If you see over here, I have about three cameras. That is recording Panasonic, recording Amigo. I mean, that is my overhead camera, and I have a side cam also. So these are the three things I can go ahead and record with using just the normal OBS program on my computer. And my audio is plugged into my OBS program also. I don't have any special devices for that. So it's as simple as going ahead and adding this three video sources over here, like a video capture device one, video capture device two, device capture three, and adding an audio source to all of them. And in case you want to add a display capture, you can use this display capture, which I'm using at the moment over here for recording the video. So let me just switch back to my normal uh, camera. Okay, as you can see now, I've just switched back from the display capture to my normal camera also over here without any problem. You don't need a ATEM Mini or ATEM Mini Plus to go ahead and switch between cameras so that you can make as many recordings or anything by just using a OBS Studio, which is a free of cost tool for you. You can install it on any of the PC, and it consumes very less sources also. So that's an advantageous part for you, which you can go ahead and use that. You don't need to invest about 20, 30, 40, 50,000 on an ATM Mini or anything like that. And all you need to do for that is, I'll just show you in a second. My camera is connected to my computer via uh, a capture card, and let me show you this. This is the capture card which I'm using over here, and it's not an expensive one. An expensive Elgato or any other expensive capture card is about 9, 10,000, 20,000, etc. But this one you get for 800 rupees to 1,000 bucks. In US terms, it's not even $10 you're getting it for. Like not even $10. That is, you're getting it for about $7 or something. And you can buy a couple of them and you can use it. The input is 4K and output is 1080. And even if you're streaming, that's the maximum which you can stream is in 1080. And you can also go ahead and record your videos and then convert it by using any of your conversion software, because you're getting the best quality in that. And in case you're using Elgato or anything like that, then you might get the 4K quality also. It depends on your own choice which you want. So it's the simplest way. You're connecting via a USB this thing cable to your uh, camera, and then you're connecting the video capture card to your computer. It's as simple as that. So there's nothing much you're doing on this, and you're getting the best quality also in that. And in case you can't even afford HDMI this thing capture card, in that case you can in Panasonic and Canon and Nikon, these three of them have a utility online which you can download and connect your USB hub to your system directly, and you can use that to also record, and you can use OBS to go ahead and do the recording, because you don't need any other camera person to go ahead and help you out with the recording. And this is the best way which I can come across, because there are some software called as VMAX, Wirecast, and everything, but you have to pay for them, and they are very heavy on your system. In OBS, it's free of cost, which you're getting, and you will be able to record crisp videos. And you can also shift the cameras. Like example, I can go to my overhead camera for my unboxing videos over here. I can go to my side cam, which I do have to adjust. It's kind of bright, but I can go there also in case I have to say something. Or I can move to my main camera directly without any problem. And I can set the hotkeys in my OBS also, like 1, 2, 3, for the same thing, for the same purpose of recording or going ahead and switching between the cameras, and the audio is getting recorded lively on my computer. I can use my computer microphone, or I can have a boom arm over here, which is over here, where I have my microphone over here, by which I'm going ahead and recording my audio. So it's as simple as that. You don't need any third person, or you don't have to wait for anyone to go ahead and shoot your video. You can do it yourself. It's all about your own creative brightness. Whether you want to go ahead and create, you get an idea, there's nobody else to help you out by using a camera, go ahead and do it. Just use an OBS studio, record it yourself. You can just press record on your camera, or you can use a camera remote or anything. But this by this way you can use multiple cameras, plus you can skip the part of lot of editing which you have to do if you're recording yourself. And you can even skip the memory card function, where what is happening over here is, from my camera the data is going to my computer, and it's getting recorded on any of the drives which I've selected in the OBS. In my case, I have selected an empty drive in which I'm going ahead and storing the files which I'll be later on editing, and I'll be using it to go ahead and make my recording, and then I'll publish the video after editing it. In case you require video and editing, please go ahead and drop down your comment. I will surely make you an easy editing technique video, where you can go ahead and edit your video very quickly without any problem, by using a mobile or by even using a computer. I'll teach you both the methods. Please leave your comments and questions below, so that I do can go ahead and answer them. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe for the video, so that you can support the channel, and I'll be happy to make more content for you over here. Until next time, this is Kamal Tech Vlog, and my name is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.